From Tampa Bay's #1 news station, this is the Fox 13 6 o'clock news.
So the foreclosure moratorium has expired, but that doesn't mean the housing market will change overnight. That's next. The impact you can expect here in the Tampa Bay area. So the foreclosure moratorium is gone, it's expired, but that doesn't mean people are suddenly going to be out of their homes or that homes are suddenly on the market.
Our consumer reporter Sorboni Banerjee takes a look at what the return of foreclosures means to all of us.
The government ban on foreclosures during the pandemic is over, but experts say don't expect a flood of houses on the market.
I definitely think it'll be a trickle effect.
The Short Sale Queen is a company that negotiates with lenders on the behalf of those facing foreclosure at no cost to the homeowner.
The lender pays us to represent the homeowner because at the end of the day, if the bank was to foreclose, they would have to hire a real estate agent anyway to get involved in the transaction.
The end of the foreclosure moratorium comes with some protections. Call your bank for options.
The CFPB, which is the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, they've put a lot of things in place to enforce lenders and banks to try and help homeowners to avoid the flood of foreclosures. Every mortgage company is going to have different options available on what they're willing to do to work with you. It's all going to depend on how far behind you are.
The foreclosure rate will go up over time as loans that were in default prior to the moratorium re-enter the foreclosure pipeline and states start catching up on unprocessed filings.
It's a black swan event. COVID comes in, the government has to react.
Analysts say that means the market may start to even out.
The markets normally cycle with supply and demand, and whenever you disrupt the markets in that regard, then there's going to be distortion. So prices have gone up. The affordability index has decreased. People can't afford to make moves right now.
Until stability returns, you have to be proactive.
If it's a short-term hardship, there are options where you could get caught up. But if you do have a long-term, hardship, there are options where you can do a short sale where you can sell and settle the debt, or just sell the property and get some equity out of it while you still can. So there are options only if you ask.
Sorboni Banerjee, Fox 13 News.